Hello, in this video series we'll be creating a simple infinite runner game. Infinite runner because we can play this game infinitely long. Enemies are getting spawned as long as we are playing and we have didn't lost all of our lives. What you see here is just an illusion. We are not moving really. What is moving is the environment, the plane on which we are standing, and the enemies and obstacles are moving towards us. We are standing still, and that's why we can play this game infinitely and we don't need to care about the environment. Everything is random. All the enemies and all the obstacles are spawned randomly. This video series will be approximately 8 or 9 videos long. We'll be handling all the basics, how to create this game, how to handle the movement of the game, how to create the environment, how to handle jumping, gravity, collisions, spawning, despawning, and all of this stuff. The requirements for this series are that you have some really basic understanding of coding and you have some experience with Unity, just minimal experience with Unity. You know how to open the editor, you know how to create the game objects, and how to little bit navigate in the Unity view. So this is not for absolute beginners introduction. Okay, so without any further waiting, let's start.